Good morning, children. I am your EVS teacher, Ankita Snehi. So, children, in our last session, we have completed our chapter number 7. But due to some revision test, we were unable to complete our exercise. So, today in this video, we will discuss all the exercises questions of chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is Our Body and Sense Organs. So let's start. So here it is, objective type questions. First is match the following: nose, ears, eyes, skin, tongue, and down it is feel, see, smell, tongue, hear. So here we have to match it. We will match nose with smell, ears with hear, eyes with see, skin with feel, and last tongue with taste. Down question number B is: how many of each of the following do you have? One is done for you. Number 1, feet. How many feet you have? Answer is 2. We have 2 feet. Second is eyes. How many eyes you have? We have 2 eyes. Answer is 2. Third is tongue. How many tongue we have? We have only 1 tongue. So answer is 1. Next is stomach. How many stomach we have? 1. How many stomach? We have only 1 stomach. So answer is 1. Hands. How many hands we have? 2. We have 2 hands. Answer is 2. Fingers on each hands. Children, how many fingers on each hand? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. We have 5 fingers on each hands. Okay. So proceeding to the next question. This is complete the concept map. Parts of the body given. Another side, legs, hands, sense organs. So here we have to write that what work we will do with the help of our legs. First is given, done, jump. Another work we do with our legs, it is walk. We can walk also. Hands. What we do with the help of our hands? We can clap. We can write. Next it is sense organs. The name of all sense organs is written. Another side we have to write the functions of the sense organs. Okay. So eyes. What we do with the help of eyes? That is see. What we do with ears? That is hear. Sunnana. Okay. Nose. Smell. Tongue. Taste. Skin. Feel. Okay. Proceeding to the next question. Here it is write T for true and F for false. You can kick a ball with your stomach. Answer is false. 2. We have 30 fingers in our hands. No, we have only 10 fingers, no? So it is false. You can write using your hands. True, yes, we can write with our hands. Number 4, we hear with our nose. No, we cannot hear. So answer is false. Number 5, we can count the hair on our head. No, we cannot count. So answer is false. Next it is answer the following using just one word. Okay. Number 1 is you use me to hear the doorbell. Answer is ears. We can use our ears to hear the doorbell. Answer is ears. 2. You use me to taste juice. Answer is tongue. Number 3. You use me for clapping. Answer is hands. 4. You use me to hold an umbrella. Answer is hands. Number 5. You use me to see the stars. Answer is eyes. Now, what are sense organs? Answer is Parts of our body that help us to see, smell, hear, taste and feel are called sense organs. Question number 2. Name 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs are nose, ears, eyes, tongue and skin. So that's all for today, children. I hope you would like this video. Thank you everybody. Now we will meet in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.